Hello, welcome to stage 7 of your final leadership project. And this is really a fun stage where you are going to be able to teach us about all the information that you've gathered about this particular leader and the organization in which they lead. And then really give us lessons that you've learned about while going through this process. Now, when you do this, you're going to put together a 5 to 7 minute presentation. So there does not need to be more than 5 to 7 slides to your presentation. And this is the order of what you're going to do. First, you're just going to put together a title slide. What's your name, information about yourself and about the person that you've, maybe about who you've interviewed, or maybe a photo there, all right, of the organization or the individual, or maybe when you interview the person, maybe you've taken a photo. Second, the next slide is going to be the reasons the leader was selected. And in that, I want you to first tell us why you selected this leader. All right? Is it your professional goal and objective to obtain that position? Is it the organization that you work for? Is it something that you really care about? Is it a community group that you've worked with? Okay, so tell us that. And then tell us a little bit about the next slide. You're going to give us a brief overview of the leader and tell us the background, how they got to where they are, and what it is that they're doing now. All right. The next slide, you're going to review and give us a brief discussion about the main challenges that that leader has faced within the organization, and then how they responded back to those challenges. All right. What steps they've taken to address those challenges. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to tell us how that leader and that organization, how the performance is measured, so to speak. So what have you found about how the performance of the organization is measured? And then give us a discussion on, do you believe that this is effective or not? Next, you're going to talk about effective outreach programs and what that leader has done or the organization has done to develop effective outreach programs, and what could be done to improve those programs. And then you're going to provide a conclusion. What have you learned, or what is the most salient lessons that we can take from that assignment? All right? And then at the end of that, you're going to put a reference slide. So if you cited any work or literature, just put the references there. All right, thank you.